Hello, everybody. Hoes, sluts, groupies, Facebookers, best friends, lovers, sisters, brothers, cousins, uncles, aunts, nephews. Y'all get the picture. But anyway, this is a shout out video to a few people. There's Andrea, Catherine, Becky, and two other people. I just don't know how to say their names. Oh well. Sorry. I guess it's just I'm just slow. Anyways, I love you guys. Well, some of you people on Facebook. Some of you people are just stalkers and desperate to be with me. Like, no. Never will you get this. No. I mean, no. I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, oh my god, like, yeah. Okay. Oh my god, really? I'm just in a really good mood today. Like, I'm so hyper. Like, I'm gonna go skateboard. But there's snow outside. Oh my god. Who wants to go with me? Hello? I'm answering. I feel so super fat. I'm asking you a question. If you want to go, just let me know. You know what? Just leave a comment below. Not up there. Below. Haha, yeah. Do I sound gay? I think I sound gay. Do I? Oh my god. You guys know what? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, bitch.